Time right now is 4:04. The Centers for Disease Control now issuing updated recommendations for people who are fully vaccinated. Brett.
Yeah, fully vaccinated people no longer need to wear a mask or socially distance when around other fully vaccinated people. Fox 59's Bianca Reyes joins us now live in the newsroom to break down what this means for life after the pandemic. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, Britt. Local health experts are calling this the light at the end of the tunnel, rather. There's new hope for those who have been waiting to hug their loved one. So let's jump right into what the CDC now recommends. First and foremost, the CDC classifies someone as fully vaccinated only after they've waited 2 weeks from their final dose of the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine. If you received the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, that's 2 weeks after your single dose. Now, the CDC also says fully vaccinated people can even gather unmasked and indoors with unvaccinated people from a single household, so long as they are at low risk for getting COVID-19. Fully vaccinated Hoosiers also no longer need to quarantine after possible exposure to COVID, so long as they are asymptomatic. So what should fully vaccinated people continue doing? The CDC stresses that fully vaccinated people should still wear a mask and social distance when in public, if they visit unvaccinated people from multiple households, and especially if they visit an unvaccinated person who is at higher risk of getting COVID-19. You're asked to still avoid medium and large size gatherings. And lastly, the CDC says anyone experiencing COVID symptoms should get tested, vaccinated or not.
We believe these new recommendations are an important first step in our efforts to resume everyday activities in our communities. However, we remain in the midst of a serious pandemic, and still over 90% of our population is not fully vaccinated.
CDC health officials went on to say everyone should still avoid non-essential travel and continue to follow guidance issued by individual employers. They also say this guidance could change as more research becomes available. Reporting in the newsroom, I'm Bianca Reyes. Back to you.